It's that time of the year again, and you find yourself sitting here on YouTube frantically researching what in the hell do motorcyclists want? Or, better yet, your special someone rides motorcycles and they sent you this video. Dang, how nice of them. What's up guys, I'm Chase, but today you can call me MotoClaws, and in this video I'm going to give you guys my top 5 favorite gifts that I think any two-wheeled moto enthusiast would love to see sitting under the tree. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video because I'm even throwing in some stocking stuffers for extra credit. We've combed through Revzilla to find out what items we would love to receive during the holidays this year so you don't have to. By the way, if you guys want to find out more info on any of the products we mentioned, we'll drop them in the description for you. Also, make sure to share this if you see something in it that you want and your significant other needs some help. Or you can use this cool drop a hint feature Revzilla has now. They are making it way too easy to buy motorcycle stuff these days. Alright guys, so after searching around, we have 5 items that are going to range from price from an easily manageable $40 to a killer $500, so hopefully, regardless of your budget, we'll have something to fit what you're looking for. Let's start off with our most cost-effective item. First up on our list of holiday gifts is something that is guaranteed to be needed by anyone riding a motorcycle, and that's this Moto chain care kit. You see, a motorcycle chains are like you and I. After being used, they eventually get dirty and need to be cleaned. Coming in at 39 bucks, this kit comes with literally everything you need to clean your motorcycle chain. We have the road version here, but they even have an off-road formula as well. Inside the box, you're looking at a 9.8 can of Moto C1 chain cleaner to get all that nasty road grime off your chain, and a 9.3 ounce can of C2 for the road version, or C3 the off-road version, to lube the chain back up, and a double-sided brush to help you scrub all that nasty off, even a pair of nitro gloves with Moto on them. Now the gloves will only be good for one use, but you'd get enough cleaner and lube in here to last tons of miles. Honestly, as a rider, I'd be happy to getting this package every single year. Now, the next item on our list is something I personally could not ride without, and that is my favorite phone mount of choice, a RAM mount universal cell phone holder kit. This mount costs 70 bucks, but it holds your phone to your motorcycle handlebars like I have mine here. This way, if your phone starts ringing in your pocket, you can actually see who's calling you before answering. And if you're thinking to yourself, how would I answer a phone call with a helmet on? Don't worry, wait for the final product and we'll see how the magic of helmet Bluetooth options. Back to the RAM mount, this item is crucial if you are like me and like listening to music, I don't know, 90% of the time while you're riding. With your phone mounted directly in front of you, this allows you to change music, adjust your GPS, or anything else you do on your phone. Only while stopped, of course. Here's the thing I love about RAM mounts. Let's say you don't need your phone in front of you while you're riding. Maybe you like recording yourself while you ride. RAM mounts makes all types of little accessories like this little guy that swaps out the phone holder at the top for a GoPro mount, and now you have a RAM mount that can adjust your GoPro in any direction and makes it super easy to record yourself while you ride. Now keep in mind, the version of the RAM mount that we have here is for motorcycles with handlebars like my MT-10. If you're buying this for someone who doesn't have a bike with handlebars, you'll need a different version like the fork stem kit for someone with a super sport like a CBR 600 or a Yamaha R6. Next item up on the list is going to be a bit of a price jump, but I'll tell you, having a good one is worth the money, and that's this Velomachi Speedway Backpack in 28-liter version. Santa belt not included. Now this guy isn't cheap with a price tag of 269 bucks, but a good riding backpack is something I really appreciate and I'm sure any rider would love to have. This backpack has a huge list of features, but here are a few of our favorites and why we picked it over all the other bags. First is that it's waterproof with a roll top main closure. You can check the weather all you want, but you never know when Mother Nature is going to change her mind, and if she does, you can just keep riding knowing that whatever you have inside of your bag is going to be nice and dry. Next up is the harness system on this bag. This distributes the weight of the bag evenly on your shoulders and your chest, which puts less strain on the rider and makes the bag much more stable under riding conditions. The outside material of the bag is also waterproof and abrasion resistant, which makes it stable at high speeds and able to survive if it hits the ground at speed. All of which are going to be welcome additions by any motorcyclist. Also, I find the 28-liter size just right. It's plenty of space to carry anything I would be looking to carry while riding, and I couldn't see myself wanting anything larger than this size. Santa's got a backpack. Alright, so next item on the list, and we are back to the cleaning side of things, and yes, I know what you're thinking. Riding motorcycles is a dirty job, and yes, you're right. Also, shout out to Mike Rowe. I love that show. Anyway, the next item is this super cool MuckOff pressure washer that is made for motorcycles only. This sweet setup costs $309, so it's definitely on the pricier side, but I love the overall usability of it. It's also not light, and I will now put it on my shoulder. This is actually the world's first pressure washer designed purely for cleaning motorcycles and bicycles. This is because most of the pressure washers you see are actually too strong to use on motorcycles, so you shouldn't use them for cleaning your motorcycle, which kind of sucks because cleaning vehicles with a pressure washer is seriously satisfying. So with this, you're getting a 10-15 PSI pressure washer. It's also coming with 3 cleaning lances, as well as 1 liter bottle of MuckOff bike cleaning concentrate, which you just mix with water and it makes 4 liters of bike cleaner. You're also going to be getting a ton of these cleaning supplies like chain cleaner, all-weather chain lube, a bottle of motorcycle protectant, as well as 2 microfiber cloths. I love that most of the chemicals are biodegradable, and it even comes with a 30-liter dry bag so all of your cleaning supplies don't end up sitting all over the place. After you grab this, the only thing you will need to get your motorcycle looking factory clean is a power supply and a water supply. No more filling up Home Depot buckets with soap and water and washing the bike the old-fashioned way. This is a cool looking bag. I like the pink. Alright guys, so it's time for our biggest gift on the list, and what is easily the best gift to receive out of the entire list. That's the Cardo Pack Talk Bold Duo Pack, which is currently on holiday sale for 30% off at $420. That's down from a whopping $599. For you not in the know, this is a twin pack of my personal favorite Bluetooth helmet communicator on the market. Installing one of these on your helmet allows you to do all sorts of things like listen to music from your phone or radio, take phone calls while riding, and of course, talk with others riding around you. The coolest thing about this is that it comes with 2 units. If you're thinking of riding with your significant other, then these are an absolute must. Being able to talk to your passenger makes for such a more enjoyable experience, and anytime my wife is on the back of my motorcycle, you can bet that we have both of these connected so that we can talk. This pack would even be perfect for just 2 riders. Having the ability to talk to others that you're riding with really makes riding in a small group way more fun. I personally use the blacked out model of the Pack Talk and honestly find it hard to ride without. Listening to music while I'm riding is just too enjoyable to not have once you've experienced it. That's one of the added benefits with going with Cardo, is that they teamed up with the speaker company JBL so that the sound coming out of the speakers is phenomenal. If you want to really transform someone's riding experience, grab this little duo pack for them, sit back and enjoy the show. It comes with 2. Alright guys, so you made it through the list. Let us know which of these 5 items you would want in the comments. Now, for a few little stocking stuffers. Keychains are always a fun little gift, and regardless if you want a motorcycle bottle opener, a gear-specific Alpine Stars to match your gear that you're wearing, or maybe a little Revzilla branded one, they have all sorts for you. Maybe keychains aren't your thing and you're tired of bike kickstands sinking into the asphalt on a hot day. Seriously, this happens and it will scare the absolute shit out of you the first time you see it. Well, maybe this little Revzilla kickstand foot is up your alley. This little guy spreads out the weight of your motorcycle kickstand, making your bike more stable. This could also be super helpful for you guys that are on the off-road side, putting your bike through the mud. Final thing, let's keep your bike from being stolen the cheap way. Throw this little $35 brake disc lock on your bike and instantly it's immobilized, preventing it from rollaway or ride-away theft. My friends, that's all I have for you for the 2021 Moto Holiday Gift Guide. If you're feeling in the spirit, give us a gift of a like button down below and let us know what you grabbed this holiday season for your significant other. I'm Moto Claus, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Outro crew, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Make sure you guys hit that like button and let us know what the best motorcycle gift you have ever received is. Make sure to put OC in your comment. We'll love you guys extra long. Have a good one.
What's your favorite on the list, bud?
My favorite is Santa's backpack. Santa's got a fun backpack that he's gonna use to deliver all the presents to the good kids. Bo, what's your favorite gift, little elf?
I'm a fan of the backpack.
All right, we'll see you on the next one. Happy holidays. Make sure to check out all of the cool links in the description as Bo checks out all of the cool pockets in the bag. I can't wait to try out the pressure washer. We've got a lot of dirty bikes in here. Oh man, that would have been a good, I should have wrote that in. Like, if you've been a dirty boy, probably shouldn't have.
I'm gonna go stop recording.
Please do, because I'll continue. This is satisfying. That's not gonna be any different than what we're already doing.
Santa belt looks like it's part of it.
This backpack has a huge list of features, but we're gonna hear... This distributes the weight of the bag even... No! Riding with... I need bigger lungs.
You need slower mouth.
Bigger lungs or slower mouth?